Alright, my people, Ọlọ́run, ó pọ̀ pa I see your number one entertainment blog, Ọlọ́run, for the whole Africa, for the whole Nigeria, for the whole world, ó pọ̀ pa. F-Clef TV, we dey here. I got a hot gist for you. Artistry Battle, episode 3. Omo, the gist wey I get for you today. The goat wey I get. I was na sabi meaning of goat o. No be male, na just greatest of all time. Shey make I gist you, I'll be right back. And before you go, don't forget what this bread. No be agege. Oya na, pane.
Welcome, F-Clef TV, your entertainment plug. Please like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to get new videos updates.
Alright, my people, it's your number one entertainment plug, F-Clef. Ọlọ́run, jump on like palliative, ìyẹn Zlatan, ó pọ̀ gan. Alright, Artistry Battle episode 3. We're gonna be talking about two fucking greatest, Ọlọ́run, greatest of all time. That's Olamide Adedeji, and you know what, Davido, baddest, Adeleke David. But right now we're gonna be talking about Young John x Badosne versus Shizzy x Bado. Are you with me? Young John and Badosne, their collaborations has been mad so far, back to back since 2014. 2014. We're gonna talk about that, but you gotta chill. Check out Bado. They don't start since day one, since day of Damiduro 2011. But don't worry, we dey here. Alright, let's talk about Young John and Badosne. Young John is the wicked producer. Bado, their first collab wey dem get. Omo, na story for the girls, so na no go can. Story for the girls. I don't even remember the lyrics sef gan. Ọlọ́run mi ò rántí lyrics. But Young John and Badosne, their first track ever. I dey tell you, their first track ever. That was Story for the Girls. Omo, Story for the Girls, it blow. Cause I remember where I did that time sef. I don't remember where I did that time. No vex, shey gra. But I know say I dey school. I go to secondary school that time. Shey gra. Sorry for the Gods, it blow. It too blow. Shey gra. Sorry for the Gods. That was Young John and Badosne's first record, first track ever. And Sorry for the Gods actually featured in Badosne's album. I think was this Street OT or Baddest Guy Ever Live It. Either of the two. That's Story for the Gods. And after Story for the Gods, a lot of hits. Now let's not count year to year. Let's just be taking it. Let's talk about Wo. By Winnie B. Wo. Man, lọ ṣe bí ọgọrọ. Àwọn ọmọ ti ká body. Wo's Bados. I mean, who knows sabi Wo's for this life? Everybody sabi Wo's, cause even for YouTube, okay, let me just keep it in. For YouTube, Wo's na the highest Badosne's view. If I'm right, highest Badosne's view. That's something like more than 30 million. I didn't say 30K, 30 million views. That's Wo's, and it was produced by Young John. Anyway, it's Young John, the wicked producer. Oh yeah, Jiggy. That one got Jiggy. Yeah, that's Young John. Anyway, that's Young John. Wo's and Shakity Bobo. Allah. I don't want to dance because if I start to the dance now, I don't know, it go enter body. Shakity Bobo was produced by Young John. You see Young John and Badosne. Don't worry, we're gonna talk about Shizzy and Baddest. Let's talk about Young John and Badosne. Wo's Shakity Bobo. And funniest thing was, I think there was a year Olamide produced an album, Lagos Nawa. That was 2018. Was it 2017 or 2018? Lagos Nawa. The funniest thing I say, it be like saying like I don't remember all the tracks that Bado released for this album. I just one track, Young John who produced all the tracks. All the tracks. Now Young John producer, shout out to Young John, wherever Young John did. No. It's plenty. Alright, my people, it's still about Young John and Badosne, Olamide Adedeji. Almost 2015, I know we forget that year of my life, like me personally. Based on say that 2015, the collab with Young John and Bado, we didn't get. Like, I'm taking 2015 out. Starting from Confirm Me, Badosne featuring Wizkid. Confirm Me, a party way. That song, up till now, I see the jam that song like say yesterday Bado released am. You see Young John, if you dey jam this song very well, you can hear when Bado say Ọlọ́run, Young John. Don't worry, let me not talk about it because okay. After Confirm Me, we got Ladi featuring Phyno and Lil Kesh. Èmi Phyno, Baba Igbo, Baba Bago Kimo Ladi. Eba, I don't know what's Ladi in my life. We share grab, and Bado teach me bad things. A lot of bad things. Bado don't teach me share grab, but we move as they are to move. Okay, Ladi featuring Phyno and Lil Kesh. And funniest thing I say, that same year 2015, Bado and Phyno actually released an album featuring titled Two Kings. Yeah, Two Kings means Bado from the southwest and Phyno from the southeast. I will make a day with you 100% alone, body and soul, body and spirit. I day with you. Okay, still Young Gun and Bado Snare, Young Gun and Bado Snare. After confirming they released Ladi, same 2015, don't forget, confirm me, they released Ladi, and after that Ladi, that was when Bado Snare actually released. So I'm used to Bado Snare, I'm not used to this Olamide or Adedeji. See that Bado Snare, since that Lagos boys, Snare days, Bagyoshi, oh yeah, Bado Snare, anywhere, anytime it's Bado Snare, share grab. So that same year, Bado Snare actually released an album, and we were there. That we were there. Get some song, all the songs we did there, me I like them, like personally me I like them, but get some songs we say they overblow. Songs like Shakti Bobo, Matters Arising, it's still plenty. Melo. I mean, I don't even feel count down. Bado, shout out to you. See me, I raise my hands up for Bado, share grab. Matters Arising, Young John actually produced a lot of songs from that album. Shout out to Young John and Bado. That's 2015. Now, if we want to go to 2016, there's not much. It's just Concombility and Pepe Dem Gang. But sure, you see that Pepe Dem Gang? Now wala. Based on say that Pepe Dem Gang, now Bado start this Pepe Dem Gang. If you see anybody where they dye their hair, where they tint tan, she na yellow or gold or anything. Me, I don't know the color. No vex. I don't go better primary school. She grab. But if you see that color, now Bado they trend down that time. Pepe Dem Gang, oh baby, along, makeup on flick, Concombility and Pepe Dem. Alright, after Pepe Dem, that's alright. 2016, that's Concombility and Pepe Dem. If we go faster than 2017, now that year, Young John produced most of Bado album. Shegra, now just one beat, now just one song Bado produced. Bado the she beat. I don't remember the name of the song. Shegra, but out of the album, now Young John produced like let me say 98% or let me say 99%. Now more fast forward. Science students, go say go want me cut that for along. That song I still wish say if I see Bado today, I would never say Bado. Honestly, based on say that video, I expect say people could just juggle anyhow. People could just I feel irate gun as I feel irate. Check it out, but Bado was like, not supporting drug abuse. Kinika, we are doing drugs, you gotta stop it. No worry, you get as it be. When we leave am for there, go dead. Science Student was produced by Young John. Also, See Mary, See Jesus is owned by DJ KY actually. Yeah, DJ KY, but it was produced by Young John. See Mary, See Jesus. Now Bado, honestly, Bado killed that song. That was 2018. Now let's go to 2019. Not much about Young John and Bado. I think they only produced one song. That's Shibin Shi, and that was Any Money song. Shibin Shi featuring Olamide and Oja D. Do you know Oja D? Alaga Ibile. Do you know Alaga Ibile? That's Reminisce, man. If you don't know Reminisce, how long? Ibile, Opo Gan, Wangbo Haga, Oja D, Oja Daddy, that's Reminisce. DJ Any Money featuring Olamide and Reminisce. Shibin Shi, Nyaheke Rencha, Orin Tuntun, Asha Tuntun, Ocha Rancha. Blessings follow me. Hello. Favor follow me. That Shibin Shi for you. And that's 2019. And if we're gonna feature, we're gonna go forward. Now let's go to 2020. Bado didn't release any song, like any single in 2020. That was recently. He didn't release any single. At first, Baba released EP. That's 999 EP. That was February 9. Yeah, I'm very sure. February 9. And after that, he released an album, Cap DM, meaning seize no vex, I don't remember. Seize the time or seize the nature or seize something. But what I know is Cap DM is a Latin word which means you gotta seize probably opportunity or something. Yeah, and the only song Young John produced for Bado is Do Better. Baby is complaining pé ó tójọ́ mẹ́ta tí mo wá sílé, I gotta do better. Yeah, that about Young John and Bado. Opo, me, my favorite song for Young John and Bado. That's gonna be Oropopo. Yeah, you guys might not know Oropopo, but Oropopo actually came out. That was Lagos Now album. I don't remember where I was, but I think that was 2017 or 2018. They say we no go have my gun Oropopo. Make I tell you the meaning of Oropopo. If person tell you now, say, guy, you no go make am for life. You know wetin? No fight am. No do it. Just tell am say, hello Oropopo alone so. What's the meaning of Oropopo? Ìsọkúsọ, kò count. Shey gra. So if anybody just approach you and tell you say you no go make am or something, just tell am say alaye Oropopo niyen na katikati na nyama. Shey gra. So the content of the song was a lot of people wrote down Bado. But yet Baba dey on his grind, the grind, and through his mama's prayer, see where Bado dey now. Ọlọ́run, baddest guy ever lived. Young Bado, that's about Young Bado. Now let's go to Shizzy and Baddest. Shizzy and Davido. Since way back. The funniest thing I say, the first song where Davido produced, like first official song, that's Davido. That wasn't Davido's official song. That was back when. But the song where bring Davido, where carry and come limelight, that's Davido. Davido was produced by Shizzy. If you hear anything, it's Shizzy the Magic Fingers. Alone, I only one Shizzy day. Davido was produced by Shizzy, and the funniest thing, let me tell you about a fun fact about music. Shizzy was like, he came back from South Africa. Was it South Africa? Yeah, he came back from South Africa, and after South Africa, Baba went to learn all this music production, and after that, he met Davido in Nigeria, and they produced Davido, and fuck that shit. Davido, like this, he get like 37 views for YouTube. Shey gra, 37 million for YouTube. That's Davido, and that was the first track Shizzy and Davido actually produced. A lot of tracks that Shizzy and Davido produced. Let's go to Skelewu. Sorry, how did they dance? Okay, I no go forget now. Put one chest for here, you do am like this. Skelewu and Pullover, it be like the same thing. Pullover, don't worry. More no go to Wizkid FC. Shey gra, we did Davido FC now. Papa, Shey gra. Yeah, Shizzy and Davido. After Davido, that was 2011. Davido came on board 2011. Davido 2012. Ekuro. I don't know. Right now, I dey jam Davido, but you see that Davido on HKL, the ginger wey dey im body. If you go watch like Skelewu, Gobe, Ekuro video, or this song, Good Life with Mafik Solo, the ginger wey dey Davido body, e mad gone. Shey gra. But 2012, Davido released Ekuro Lalabapuewa. Me, don't worry, make I not talk, make I read that one for myself. Ekuro, Davido released Ekuro 2012, and that actually came out in his EP. Was it EP or album on Babalowo in English? Son of a Rich Man. Everybody knows Davido is the son of a rich man. Adeleke, everywhere in this Nigeria is splendid. It's very. I'm talking about Gobe and Skelewu. Me, I don't forget, based on saying Skelewu, I did school that time. I did secondary school for class like this. It be like saying a math class or saying a government class. We dey dance like we dey based on saying a school for my class. All of us be school 4 students. So be like Skelewu for class. Teacher just look like this. You don't know the label, but based on saying you don't know the kind of picking way we be so. Kojoloju, you feel me? So 2013, Davido and Shizzy released Gobe and Skelewu. Skelewu trend. No be small thing. Skelewu trend. And alright, 2014. That's, I don't know how to produce it, but let me say T Chilete in English. Good Life featuring Mafik Zolo. If you wanna, don't worry, let's not chop mouth. That's 2014. Davido featuring Mafik Zolo, produced by still Shizzy. Don't forget, the battle here is Young John versus Bado and Shizzy versus Baddest. Are you with me? Alright, now let's go to 2015. Davido actually had an international collaboration with who? Meek Mill, Meek Millie, Dream Chasers. Yeah, that's Meek Millie for you, man. Fans me. It was produced by Shizzy. Shizzy. Not boss. If you never jammed that song, it be like, I remember when Davido was like in talk say, you know, get money from your account. Everybody knows in Alamba. Davido now Babalowo. right from small person be say like sheshe 12-year birthday him papa actually bought him like something like a jeep, you know that time na jeep we dey call all this kind Land Rover, all this kind better motor na jeep we dey call am. Any big car jeep ni, anything jeep ni. Shey it was like his father bought him a jeep at the age of 12. Fuck that shit. As I dey like my papa never buy me jeep, and no be say I dey rob my papa me o, but no worry, we go put am for side. I know in the try. Alright, that's Fans Me featuring Meek Mill, and still the same year The Sound featuring DJ Box, Uru, and that was directed by Sheson. You know why I love this video? Because the video was actually like Baba dey fly on top here. Shey grab, and funniest thing na say that video blew. Shey grab based on say Sheson na baddest, Sheson na bad guy. That's 2015. Now let's go 2016. Gbagbeochi. You know the funniest thing I say? E be like say 2016. Let me say 2015, 2016. Even Davido, he released one EP that time. Is this Son of Mercy or Son of Mercy? Yeah. Even till now, Baba they always talk say that hippie, you know, like him at all. You know, like if you watch interview with Ejuka, like sometimes last year it was like, you know, like that hippie at all. But notwithstanding, Gbagbeochi, money get Gbagbeochi, that was released I think 2016. Now let's go to 2017. You get one song with Davido and Shizzy. That's actually my favorite song, Shizzy and Davido, and that's like that. And then city walk body like that, you say it walk you know go that song up to now. I jam that song like say Davido will just release that. Don't be saying just release that, will just release that. So grab that's 2017, and now let's go to 2019. Yeah, let's go to 2019. Shizzy and Davido released a very bad song, Blow My Mind with Chris Brown. Hey, you just blow my mind, yeah. Your body they blow my, hey, blow. Let's not go into the lyrical part. Blow My Mind featuring Chris Brown. And funniest thing I say right now, the video featuring Chris Brown, Blow My Mind, has 60 million views on YouTube. Baddest. Blow My Mind, and after Blow My Mind, same year 2019, Davido released an album, A Good Time, featuring a lot of artists. But you see, Blow My Mind, and Sweet in the Middle, you know, Since the middle featuring Naira Marley, Zlatan, and Word. Based on say my president did that video. My president was like, hey, what boss? Rice Cartel. No worry. I know they come. No worry. Right. Blow My Mind and Sweet in the Middle. That was 2019. This 2020, the video released an album, Better Time. Funniest thing I say, and he pay me. Maybe say if I see the video today, I will tell her, Baddest, Shizzy no produce any song for a Better Time. I don't like her. I will tell Baddest, yeah. Like almost all the songs, or let me say all the songs. Nah, Shizzy didn't produce any of the songs. And trust me, any collaboration of Shizzy and Davido is always A1. It's just very great day we pass it. We will give her Shizzy and Baddest. But notwithstanding, this same 2020, Shizzy released a track featuring Davido and Wale, one Leba. Me, I jam that song. I think that was the beginning of Amapiano in Nigeria, something like one Leba, Kabza the Small featuring Burna Boy and Wizkid. That was the beginning of Amapiano in Nigeria, because Amapiano actually came to Nigeria, let's say last year. And last year it went back. And that was 2020, and we did 2021 now. Alright, my people, we don't talk about Young John and Bado versus Shizzy and Baddest. Now let's talk about their collaborations. The first collaboration with Davido and with Bado and Baddest. We didn't get Panuma. I'm not lost already. Got Panuma. It's like gonna only music I can't do my song. I'm not lost already. Got Panuma. Are you there? Oh yeah, nah. That's Bado featuring Baddest. Panuma, that was like something like 2012 or 2013. Yeah, Panuma. And after that, 2013, after that, 2 years after, 2015, you know this is the way they carry come on. The money, hey, show me the money, aye, biko ye me go, hey, ori mi jacking, lowo, life is all about the money, Baddest featuring Bado, The Money. It was directed by Sheson. Yeah, Sheson and Baddest, they actually go together from day one. And after that, they released Summer Body. Okay, don't worry. Somebody Badosne featuring Baddest. Somebody that was released, I think 2017 or 2017. Yeah, if I'm correct, 2017. Somebody Bado featuring Baddest. And after that, they actually released Fine Girl remix owned by Wale. Yeah, Wale featuring Bado and Baddest. Actually, that song, Bado na just hook. Say, fine girl. How Bado talk am? Fine girl. Tony the ńlá. Allah. Davido was like, hey, I come from Nigeria. No, don't worry. Look at the reserve. Shey grab. That's all their collaboration. And the funniest thing I say, this 2021, this year, the collaboration of Baddest and Bado. Shey grab. I know sabi Baddest, I know sabi Bado. But I know say this year, shey grab, both of them actually released a picture of them in the studio recording. And if you check that video out, Bado was like, wala. Shey grab. It means say the song wey they call Davido featuring Olamide or Olamide featuring Davido is actually banger because me as a person I dey jam that song. Make it sweet, make it know it go sweet for my ear. So if I say that Bado, I don't hear anything. You feel me? Alright, that's 2021. I know say Bado and Baddest they got a lot of incoming collabos. Trust me. Alright. Let's talk about Shizzy and Bado, Young John and Baddest. Are you with me? Are you there? Now Shizzy and Bado, who you help? You don't serve. Who you serve? 2018. Yeah, was it 2018? No. That was I think 2016. Sorry, that was 2016. Who you help? Bado released this track. Now all the let me say all the artists. Let me say majority of all the artists will get from Nigeria. Even across Nigeria, actually released a freestyle to this song. Who you help? Who you serve? That was produced by Shizzy. It's too much. It's too much. Bado, shout out to Bado. I love Bado. Honestly, I love Bado. Shey grab. That's Shizzy and Bado. Who you help? And Young John and Baddest. Biggest backside. Yeah, biggest backside. That song not really blow like that. But based on say I be GMW FC, I be Davido FC, I be 30BG FC, 30BG Malian, Upper Gun, Shey grab. Yeah, Young John produced a song for Bado, for Baddest, featuring B-Red, biggest backside. That song, if you don't like am, but me, I like am, I jam am. This if you go jam am, say, okay, Baddest featuring B-Red, biggest backside. That's that about that. Now let's talk about the highest song Young John and Bado on YouTube, like highest video on YouTube. That goes be Whoa has something like 30 million plus YouTube views. That's Whoa. And after we got Shakiti Bobo, that's like 27 million views on YouTube. And we got science students. Yeah, it's a good. I know the science students. I was a commercial student when I was in school, so all those terminologies I don't understand. Shey grab. Yeah, so let's talk about Shizzy and Baddest. Anything Baddest, you know as they go now. Shey grab. Highest song of Shizzy and Baddest and blow my mind featuring Chris Brown. As I follow you talk now, the song don't pass 60 million views for YouTube. It shock you. Don't worry, that's Shizzy and Baddest. And after that, we got, I think, Skelewu has got something like, let me say, more than 13 million views on YouTube. Gobe, almost Gobe, 37 million views plus. Got Skelewu, that's 20 something, that let me say 12 plus million views on YouTube. That's Skelewu. Atushi Battle, people, that's about Young John X Badosne versus Shizzy and Baddest. Oh Lord, I got Baddest, the best. Baba Ifeanyi, Baba Imade, Baba Iyi, I don't think I can. Opo God, Shey grab. Thank you guys for the support so far. Atushi Battle, we're gonna be back very soon. If you are just watching this, don't forget to like, necessary. Don't forget to share, share, and don't forget to subscribe. It's fucking necessary. You gotta subscribe. F-Clef TV, your number one entertainment blog in the of Nigeria, Africa, the world. Don't forget this brand, we are Mr. Director, we are our partner. Let's go on. Thank you.